going to charge your car, and this little charge port door is frozen shut. And inevitably what happens is you get any snow on the vehicle, it melts, runs down, goes in around this thing, the charge port door, collects down on the bottom side, makes a nice little puddle right there, and freezes. Now, I don't know if it never gets below 32 degrees in South Korea, but here in Ohio, occasionally we have snow, and when that snow gets on your car and you go to charge it and you can't, then you get creative. Now, I've used coffee a lot. So you go to a charger that's a dealership, and then you get something to drink there, a hot drink, and then you can pour it around there and open the door up and then close it. Hopefully you won't need another charge for a long time. I kind of wish you could just leave the port door open constantly. Maybe put a little boot over there. Or maybe what I'll do is take a little piece of cellophane, stick it all over here, use a magnet, and seal that in so it always stays dry. But if you want to charge an Ioniq 6 and you don't want to use the wee little method, then carry some hot water with you or stop somewhere with hot drinks. Hey, thanks for watching.